How to delete broadcast list on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete broadcast list on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this broadcast here. Just click on it and click in the top and scroll down. Here you will find delete broadcast list. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and then click delete. And as you see, broadcast have been deleted, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.